Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends. My YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. I hope friends you will be fine. Spending a good and lavish life. Dear friends, YouTube channel at a crochet pattern in which I introduced crochet ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be like my ideas which are related to crochet concern, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other, and these ideas are most beautiful to each other, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you will be like my ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and these ideas are most beautiful. Hopefully friends you will be like my ideas, and these ideas are very attractive to each other. Hopefully friends you will be like my ideas which are related to this. Crochet kettle cover in this video I introduce with you, and these crochet kettles are very beautiful and intrinsic. These ideas which I introduced in this video, like, and you will be gain different type of knowledge which I introduced, and these ideas which I will introduced in this video are most beautiful, and it's are very great to each other. Hopefully friends you will be like my ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. These are ideas are very beautiful and completely complement to each other. So friends, I hope you will be like my ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you will be gain different type of knowledge watching this video. At the last you will be gain different type of knowledge which I introduce. Friend, these ideas are more attractive to each other. Hopefully friends you will be gain different type of knowledge watching this video, and these ideas are very beautiful, different to each other. These ideas are most beautiful, and these ideas are most beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you will be like great ideas. These ideas are most beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you will be like my ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and in this video related to the crochet pattern, and it's are very beautiful ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. I hope friends you will like my crochet kettle covers, and you can create thinking ideas which you are watching this video. And these crochet kettle covers are most unique, different and elegant to each other. Hopefully friends you will like my crochet ideas which are very beautiful and handmade. Creativity is an important resource for spending a good and lavish life. So friend, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern and like my idea which are related to crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will like my crochet ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. Ideas which I introduce in this video are most beautiful to each other, and it's are very attractive and elegant points. Kindly friends go to share your thesis at a comment box. What would you like this video? And this video is effectively and efficiently you impacted at your life. And dear friend, watching my videos you can earn the money resources, and your friend you gain different type of knowledge criteria and change your living standard and spending a good and lavish perspective life. Friends, you will like my ideas which are related to the project concern, and these ideas are very elegant and different to each other. These ideas are completely complement to each other. Friend, watching this video and upload this video, your overall social personalities like your friends, social friends.